I like my clothes just like I like my honey. Sweet little selfie.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Nikki here. So today I was going to say this is my makeup look that I've achieved today, but it's not at all. I am wearing absolutely no makeup on the skin. I've got a couple of tips and tricks that I do when you're either just stepping out of the house and you want to wear absolutely no makeup, which I like to do 90% of the time, or you're seeing bae and you want to look pretty without makeup. These are the steps that I take. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. This is my skin in its bare form. It's looking a little bit lifeless. It's a little bit dull. There's nothing on it really. There's no sort of glow. It just kind of looks one tone. So I want to give it a little bit of a pick-me-up, but I want to add no makeup whatsoever. So when I'm having a no makeup day and I want my skin to just breathe, but I want it to still look pretty, I immediately think skincare. I think that we need to do a mask. I want my skin to kind of brighten, detoxify, and I have just the thing. I've actually recently been using this face mask by Sand & Sky. It's called the Brilliant Skin Detoxify and Brighten Purifying Pink Clay Mask. I don't know about you guys, but clay masks are absolutely my favorite. Can we just take a second for the packaging of this? The packaging is absolutely beautiful. I love the pink, and the actual bottle itself, or the tub, is blue, so I love the two contrasting colors together. Okay guys, so I'm a sucker for packaging. Not only does this come in a really cute blue tub, but the actual clay mask itself comes with a small Sand & Sky foundation. It's like a mini foundation brush or an applicator brush that you can apply the face mask with, which I think is super cool, because usually you get face masks, right, and then you either apply them, I actually apply them using like an old foundation brush, or you apply it with your hand. So I love the fact that this one already comes with its own little mini brush. So looking at the little leaflet that comes inside, the mask claims to detox, invigorate, refine and brighten. I would say the couple of times I've actually used this really brightens my skin. It makes it look really healthy, gives me that really nice summer glow. So we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to pop this mask on using the little brush. I'm going to pop this mask all over the skin, just taking it up to my jawline, and then I'm going to leave it on for around 10 minutes until the clay mask is completely dry. Just say that when I put this mask on, it was so, I'm struggling to speak, it was so cooling, really nice. It's got a little tingling sensation, which I like because it makes me feel like it's working. I can't talk because it's really starting to harden up. You can see all the cracks. Oh. So once the clay mask is dry, it's going to go from that pink to this stark white colour. I'm just going to head off to the bathroom, wash it off and show you guys a close-up of what my skin now looks like. Okay, so personally I feel like my skin is looking really fresh. Like, it's got a little bit of a glow, and I feel like my cheeks have brightened as well, so everything looks a little bit healthier. I feel more awake as well, which is always a bonus. So let's move on to the next couple of steps. Now, I'm the kind of girl that likes to drench herself in serums, oils, any of that good stuff, loads and loads of moisture. So I'm actually going to be using a facial oil. This one is by Botanics. It's 100% organic with rosehip. It's the Nourishing Face Oil, and I'm going to take a couple of drops of this, and then I'm just going to massage this all over the skin. I like to also just take it down to my neck area as well. Once I'm done with that facial oil, you can see that it's added so much moisture to my skin. My skin automatically looks really plump. I like to go in now with an eye cream. Usually I would do this at night time, but if I'm just wearing no makeup, I like to do it because it keeps my under eyes hydrated. I will be using the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. And I'm just going to take a couple of little dabs of this on my ring fingers and then just massage that underneath my eyes. So we're just bearing in mind that these steps that we're taking right now are still skincare. We are still treating the skin, but in turn it's also making our skin look healthier and plumper automatically. Now, something that I've absolutely been loving is actually the Dove Summer Glow Lotion. I don't know if you guys have ever tried it. It is like with a gradual tanner in it, so it gives you a really subtle glow, like a summer glow from within. And I like to use this mainly just on my body. I don't use it on my face, but it kind of works automatically. I feel like it gives me a little bit more of a sun-kissed look. So I'm going to take just a little bit of this and massage this on my neck and my chest area. I would also just do the whole of my body with this as well. I did want to mention that this stuff, it just smells so nice. It smells like fruits, like sweets and fruits. everything that I'm about. I love it. It doesn't smell like tan at all. Okay, so the next step is optional. You don't really have to do it, but if you guys have been OGs on my channel, you know how I feel about facial hair and facial hair removal. I tend to get the whole of my face threaded. So in between the processes of the couple of weeks where my hair is kind of growing back and kind of not, I like to take some tweezers, or sometimes I just thread it myself, but I am just going to do underneath my brows. I just want to clean them up. I've got a couple of little sprouts of hair that I've grown back, and I feel like when you've got your hair removed off your face, my face personally feels so much cleaner. My skin looks so much cleaner as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Now next I'm going to use some strobing lotions. I feel like when I'm not wearing makeup and I'm heading out to the shops or bays coming around, I want to look good. I want to look glowy. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to be applying the Pixi Glotion Day Dew Brightening Lotion. I'm going to be mixing it a little bit with the Melanie Mills times Sondra Deluxe Gleam Body Radiance in Peach Deluxe. This one's got more of a peachy tone. And I'm going to be applying this to my skin. I apply the majority to the high points of the skin, and then I just massage it all over down onto my neck. I feel like this gives me that beautiful summer glow. My skin looks so plump, it looks so luscious, and it just kind of lifts my skin up from just that normal day moisturizer look. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but Pizza Hut are texting me and my skin looks luscious. So plump. I love that combination together. You kind of just want to get a strobing cream. Any strobing cream, any illuminizer will look nice. It'll just kind of lift your skin up and give you that highlight, but it's going to be really, really subtle. So next, I know that I said no makeup, right? But does this count as makeup? I don't really know. I'm going to be using the Ico Brow Gel Style and Define. It's just a tinted brow gel. I just want to add a little bit more definition in my brows. My brows are naturally quite full, but this will just kind of amp them up a little bit, and you can't even see the product through the brows whatsoever. So if you've got like lighter brows, I would recommend this step just to give you a little bit of definition to your face. Okay, so I would say that this has made the tiniest bit of difference. It's made a really, really small difference, but what it's done for me is it's made me feel good and it's made me feel confident. So I feel like that's all that matters. If you don't need to do this step, or you don't want to do this step, you feel like adding makeup would make you feel better, then add makeup. It doesn't even matter. This is just if you really, really didn't want to wear makeup, but you wanted to do them extra steps to make you feel confident. So the next step I tend to do so much, it just opens my eyes, and that is using an eyelash curler. I like to use an eyelash curler starting from the root of my eyelash and then curling about 5 times from the bottom all the way to the top. This is just going to really lift and curl my natural lashes and fan them out, and it does make wonders. It really does, and it changes your eyes, opens them up. I really like this. This is a great little hack for when you're not wearing any makeup. Okay, so one of the last steps that I like to do is just use a lip conditioner. I love tinted lip balms as well, but I don't have one to hand to show you guys today, so I'm just going to be using the MAC lip conditioner. This one's beautiful because it does hydrate a little bit, but it looks really nice on the lips. So any kind of lip balm, lip conditioner, just something to really soothe your lips will work. And then my last step would just be to add a scent on yourself that you love. This is always going to make you feel good and make you feel confident. I am loving the Soap & Glory Original Pink Body Spray. I love Soap & Glory. I love their scents. I love their lotions. I love their body washes. Everything about Soap & Glory I absolutely love. So I'm just going to give myself a quick spritz of this. So that is it guys for this video. I hope you really enjoyed this kind of video. I know that it's a little bit different because I'm not adding anything really on my face that is makeup. This is everything that you can do just on a bare skin without adding any makeup. So I hope you liked the kind of video idea or concept. It is what I actually legit do, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I know it is really simple. Let me know your thoughts down below. Make sure that you subscribe or follow me on my other social handles that I'll leave here somewhere on the screen. And as per usual, I love you guys so very much. I will see you in my next video. Mwah.
I like my girls just like I like my honey, sweet little selfish.